What's up? It's 5:30 a.m. We are hitching the trailers, making sure we got everything ready. About to head out, 6-hour drive, not too bad. Heading out to San Francisco for this weekend's Foodieland. Let's go. Stop number one, and this is the priciest stop, is filling up the tanks. Yup, it's still going. We're at another gas stop. This thing is just draining our gas. Should we hit up the Little Caesar Express? I don't know, we're getting kind of hungry. We made it. Cow Palace, San Francisco. Now we're just gonna unload the trailers, leave them parked, head to the hotel, get some lunch because we have not eaten. It ended up being like a 7-hour drive. Nothing too bad, but definitely a lot of traffic. It's usually 6 to 7. Actually, I think it ended up being like 8 because of all the stops. So now we're just gonna go ahead, drop it off and go get some food because we're starving. You know we gotta come try out some pastas and pizzas. That's how hungry we are. We're just gonna go all out right now. All right, I think the boys are tapped out. We just did too much food, but whatever, we're tired. And I think that's it for today. We're all tired. It was an 8-hour drive. Gonna head to the hotel, get some work done, and do the setup tomorrow. Let's go. Out of the 3 pizzas we ordered, we only finished one of them. There's too much food. San Francisco, it's a nice and sunny day, so it's hopefully gonna be a good weekend. We'll see. Always wanted that early Starbucks before we head out. Gotta get the coffee before we do the setup because we're gonna make it quick. You know, we always gotta get the hotel right across the street from a Starbucks. Francisco hotels is the parkings are always across the street, or there's not enough parking, especially for us. You know, we bring our vans and all types of stuff. So yeah, that's one thing I definitely don't like. We're back at the venue. We're ready to start our setup. So first we're gonna start hitching up the trailers, find our spot over there. A couple of other vendors are already here. So we're gonna just get in, get out, hit the gym and go eat. Let's raise it, let's raise it. Go, 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 let's go. All right, Aaron, what's the over and under and how long it's gonna take us to do this setup?
2 hours.
2 hours, he says.
That one and this one?
Nah, let's just do this one right now. I know.
Yeah, this one an hour.
All right, so you're saying both sets? Yeah, he's taking it back. All right, so under an hour on this one. Time started already. Let's go. So we finished one setup under an hour. It was pretty easy, but it is a little bit windy. So normally we'd be putting up our banners and our flags, but we're just gonna wait till tomorrow. And we got the team just making sure everything's locked up and loaded. Start setup number 2. All right, so we're over here with the team. We got Ramiro over here. He's a star player. He's 4 years into the team. He always starts off strong.
We fought through this. We fought through all this, the stuff we had to go through. Listen to the game plan from coach, and we finished under the time that we wanted to. Good solid first half.
All right, let's go. Let's go. You heard him. So we're gonna get into the second half. We're gonna start strong. I believe we can still do it in under 30 minutes. That's the over and under 30 minutes. Let's go. Trailer number 2 is ready. It is a little windy, so we're not doing our banner up until tomorrow since it's gonna stay here. The cones have officially arrived. Now we're just gonna finish unloading. The rest of the stuff we missed today, let's do tomorrow. And that's it. It's an easy setup day. Check into the last hotel, hit the gym, and then that's it. Let's go. It's event day number 1, but first I had to come to the gym. Like I've mentioned, I'm really trying to balance out the diet and fitness along with this lifestyle of being on the road every single weekend, pretty much all year round, being at food festivals. It's a little extra push that I got to give myself with this lifestyle, but we're gonna make it work. See you guys after the gym. All the vendors are just getting ready. Everyone's already pretty much done. Now it's just a matter of getting the last minute things. This event's pretty big. It is windy, so a lot of us are dealing with the wind, just making sure everything's strapped down. You don't want to be the one that ends up getting your tent tossed around because of the wind, so just make sure you are strapped. All right, the boys like to walk around and do some merchandise shopping before the event even starts. Let's go. Oh, we got the squad pulling up. We got Nicholas. Let's go. Hell yeah. All right, Nicholas finally made a guest appearance. Ready to do some trades?
Yeah.
What are you trying to get today? Just anything?
Yeah, anything that I can find. A lot of things.
Oh yeah, let's go. You heard him. We're just trading for it all now. If you're a vendor, you want to trade, let's go. Nicholas is scouting who to trade with today. Trailer number 2, we're getting it ready. Crowd is lining up. They're about to open up the gates, and luckily we're just right there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be able to see us. And if not, we do got the other trailer on the other side, so it's definitely a good spot. Just opened up. Let's see, now we just wait till the first customer lines up, hook them up, and then we just get the day started. The event is starting to get packed. People are coming in. Our spot right here is right in front of the tables. Not too bad. Got the team ready. But what I did notice about these events is they're hit or miss. Sometimes they start really strong. I think it just depends on the city. This weekend, it's pretty cold and windy, so maybe people are waiting till it cools down with the wind. Who knows, but the people are definitely coming and we're ready for it. All right, it's 9:38. We're still going, but it's almost over. After this, just close down, clean up, and get ready for tomorrow. Let's go. Day one, we are done with. It was pretty cold. You know, I had to deal with a lot of wind, but we made it work. We were still busy, not the craziest, but good enough. Now we got the squad just finishing up, and we're out of here. Might even go get some late night dinner because we didn't trade too much today. Oh, let's go. Hell yeah, let's go. How many cones you getting?
6.
6 cones. Let's go. Day 2. Let's go. It's not too windy today, but it sure is cold. All right, day 2 is almost halfway done. We have been pumping non-stop. How we doing on the Let's Go meter? Let's Go meter? How we doing? How we doing? Let's go. We're up here, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's how fast we are. We just catch up on the line, and now we're just waiting on the register crowd.
Efficiency at its finest.
We're just that fast. Let's go. We're just gonna check up on Trader 2, make sure everything's strapped. I think we're still waiting on them. Maybe they had a longer line than us. I'm not sure, but let's check it out. We got more vendors. You gotta show them when you have no dolly, you make it work. You make it work. The cheese pool himself. That's how we do. And he's taking some to go. Find the vendor park so far. All right, I was gonna walk around to see if I can get some vendor trays going, but it's pretty packed out here. Here, check it out. Everyone has lines. It's hard sometimes to do these vendor trays when people are so busy, but you know what? We got all day. So let's go. As you can see, our trailer is packed, which is a good sign. This is what we want to see, and this is what we love to do. So we're gonna be pumping cones all day. In a bit, I'm gonna go check on our second trailer, see how they're doing, but I'm pretty sure they are just as busy, so that's what we love. We got the long lines starting to build up. Let's go. Let's go. Second trailer is doing good. And this place is packed. And let's go. We got 5 more hours of this. So we got a long way to go still. All right, let's go. The boys came through. All right, that's almost over. Go over here. Hey, let's go. All right, let's go. Hell yeah. Oh, they're trying to trade too. Yeah, wait, you guys tried the tacos? No, bro. All right, I'm here with my wife. We got some Misubis from Stubby Stacks. I've never had them. I've had Misubis, but not from them, so let's try it out. Which do you want? I don't know what it is, what's in it, but live taste test. Let's go. Let's go. Is that pineapple in there, I think? I don't know, but it's hidden. All right, let's peace out. So I thought our other trailer was gonna be closed, but no, they're still pumping. So that's a good sign. I'm gonna run over to the other side, and that's what we do with these last minute rushes. We just gotta pump through. Let's go. All right, let's go. We're here with the Mr. Lumpia Bucket. You guys have seen him everywhere. I always see him get tagged and posted. He's always got a line. Bro, you guys gotta come out. You guys gotta come out. You gotta come out. The hype is real. Hype is real. Let's go. Oh yeah, we got some trades going on. You don't want more? 2? Okay, all right. We got you. We got you. 9 p.m. and we're still pumping. Let's go. Whoa, we got the GOAT pumper here. Legend has it he has pumped over 9,000 times today.
9,001.
9,001. All right, it's closing time. As you can see, we're just breaking it all down. We're just trying to get out of here. It was a pretty good event. Amazing. It started off cold. It got windy, but Sunday today was just sunny and good to go. We pump cones all day. This is what we do. This is what we love to do every weekend, weekend after weekend. All right, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.